Thank you so much. Uh, the question is clearly written here that using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a line through point T parallel to line AB. Here, I'm going to use the long ruler. This is my long ruler that I will use, and this is my pair of compasses. So, they are saying that we should construct a line through point T. This is our point T. This is point T that we are going to construct that line through. And the question is also saying that through point T parallel to A, B. It means that that line to be parallel to this line A, B. So what we are going to do first, the first step that we are going to do is to first drop a perpendicular line. That is the first step. When I say dropping a perpendicular line, mean the point is given and the line is also given. So you drop perpendicular line from a given point to cross the line. So from here, we are going to drop our perpendicular line from this point to cut this line A, B. So this is how we are going to do it. Using the pair of compasses, I will pick the pair of compasses, then I will put the compass point at this point that we are calling point T. I'll put the compass point here. Then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw an arc to cut this line, A, side that can also cut it the other side. Should cut both sides, this side and this side. Make sure that the arc should cut both sides. So after drawing this arc through point A, B, through line AB, now I'm going to adjust my pair of compasses. Then I'll put the compass point here. I will transfer the compass point. I'll put it here. Then I will draw another arc like this. Then again I will transfer the compass point here. On this point also, at this point, then I will draw another arc to cross the first one. I'll make sure that the first arc is closed by the second arc. Now what I'm going to do after this, I will join this point from this point to this point. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to join, this is the point I'm going to join to this point. Since we are going to draw a parallel line, what I'm going to do, my line is going to pass through so that it gives us time, an allowance of constructing the parallel line, which is the line which is parallel to A, B. So we have dropped the perpendicular line now. After dropping this perpendicular line, I'm going to mark those terms. The first one was dropping the perpendicular line. Now the second one, I'm drawing the perpendicular line. It means that when you're drawing perpendicular line, it means that the point is given, but the line where it is going to cross is not given. So we are just going to draw perpendicular line from this point. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll pick my pair of compasses. I'll put the compass point here. It's like I'm constructing an angle of 90 degrees on this line. So I'll draw an arc to cut this line. I'll turn it like this also. I'll draw an arc to cut this one. So I will adjust my pair of compasses. Then I'll put the compass point here at this point. I'll draw an arc. I'll transfer it at this point also. I'll draw another arc to cut the first one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to join this point to this point. So this is our point T. And the question was that we should construct a line through point T. And this is our point T. We have constructed the line through point T parallel to line AB. It means that this is the line which is parallel to AB. So this line is parallel to this one. And you can put here sign of right angle. It means that this angle and this This angle is a right angle, and this angle is also a right angle. Therefore, this line is parallel to this one. Thank you so much.